In this lesson, we will see the prepositions, but we will see more precisely sur. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une préposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. And so, this lesson is about sur. The preposition sur can be translated to on, about, or over in English, depending on the context. And so in that situation, we will see 4 examples with sur. Le livre est sur la table. Le livre est sur la table. J'ai lu un article sur les étoiles dans ce magazine. J'ai lu un article sur les étoiles dans ce magazine. Il marche sur la même route. Il marche sur la même route. Il se trouve sur le trottoir. Il se trouve sur le trottoir.